you to another awesome adventure.
Hi and welcome to another Steve's Adventures. I'm with Fairytale Wizard.
Hi guys.
And we're going to be kayaking on the River Wey today in Guildford in Surrey.
Yeah.
It's brilliant, this is! You're not faffing again, are you?
I think I need a twist mine.
Right. The row barge pump. It's quite nice, it does. Except for the yellow netting. I don't know about that.
Oh dear, man. Hope out so it doesn't bulge over the camera.
You coming up?
So you even canoe, you even paddle quicker than I do.
Sorry?
You even paddle quicker than I do.
I'm just paddling normally.
I know, you're awesome, isn't you?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I nearly went in. Hello, fancy meeting you in a place like this.
Hello, Dorothy.
You alright, dear? Hi guys, Fairytale Wizard, and I'm filming my bro Steve from Steve's Greatest Adventures, poodling along at 100 miles an hour along the river. Yeah, bobbing along on the back of the beautiful bride. They say I'm gonna crash in a minute. Right?
Yeah.
Probably popular, though, wasn't it? That's probably why mine's a bit wobbly, because yours is like really inflated, whereas mine's probably just about. That's it, do the tiger dear, do the tiger. Yeah, keep roaring. Yeah,
I'm a tiger!
You look cool in that boat.
Because I am cool.
Duck.
No, keep up, Dorothy.
Yeah, I know, sorry, I'm faffing a bit.
Yeah, you do that.
Yeah, but when I was in that river in Bristol, and it was a nice sunny day, I was just pootling along at my own pace, I didn't care.
I don't want about camera time. We need to get, I want to film, and I'm going to get some special adapters for these cameras. So I'm plugged in the...
What, longer battery life?
Yeah, I'm going to just plug, no, I'm just going to, you know the old power banks? I'm going to put them on them.
Trouble is you learn as you go along, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Thing is, nobody wants to watch a video for an hour and a half, but you still need the footage to make a 5-minute video.
Yeah, hello ducks. I won't disturb you. Look at these beautiful ducks. Hello.
I get the feeling this river's pretty deep actually. Could get a point in. Yeah. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. Faith in you was fading, and I left you on the outskirts of town. Oh, here we go. You do, you look like we've...
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, it's with the old rudder on the back, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Look! Look, this is what you normally do, right? Well, you would if you walked.
Probably about a mile, half a mile from town.
Yeah. Actually, in fact, it's quite a way.
Yeah, but it's a nice destination to go to then. The other one would be a lock, and there'd be that'd be that. Just keep it constant, Jay, like that. Instead of stopping all the time.
And you what?
No.
It's boiling. Ooh-wee. Oh, I'll take my coat off at some point. Tea break. I've got to take my coat off.
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you going to do it?
Take the time. Echo. Whoa. That's nice under here though, isn't it?
Oh, it's a
This
pigeon.
bridge, amazing.
That's a dead one, isn't it?
Yeah, look at the architecture.
Little pigeons.
Drink, or whatever you want to call it.
Little pigeons.
The maple time.
Oh, the pigeons.
They're under here, are they?
No, it's there as well.
Where is it? Yeah, there's that. To do a bushcrafting, like you've got ducks, you've got pigeons.
Told you it'd be cold. Hot, even.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to work up to it, you know, and then take it off. It's a bit, I don't know, this morning I just felt really like, and I'd already gone to the toilet, so I don't know what was wrong with me, but I got all the cycle gear on as well, that's probably why. You warm up pretty quick once you're in it. I keep forgetting that that's what it's for. And I kept going around in circles a few times, but I didn't really drink, it's just that it was because there was a pub there, and I thought, well, why not, you know? If you want, but we've got a lot of rowing to do. Well, you might want to film something scenic anyway for the camera. But these bridges are amazing, and not one is the same. You notice that? Well, you'd think if they come up with a perfect design for a bridge, they stick to the same plan. But that's a railway bridge, so obviously it's got to be different. That one's a road bridge. But every one we've gone under are different. For obvious reasons, but at the same time, you'd think it would be one that would be universal for anything, and they just build it, but then it always comes down to why would you do that? It's cost, you know.
Ooh, echo! Why do we say echo when it's in the echo area?
Are you recording separately?
I'm recording all three.
No, voice.
No,
no.
no.
I was going to say, all your
There's just too much hassle at the
all
moment.
your cameras are shut.
I think I'm going to keep it simple. See if I can get a thing that plugs into the GoPro with a battery pack.
Yeah, can you get one?
I think you can, yeah. See if I can get and put a battery pack on it as well.
The thing you've got to watch out for is not the voltage, it's the amp. You've got to keep the amps down.
Yeah, just get a power bank. Where are you?
I'm behind you.
You getting tired?
No, I just don't row as quick as you. I don't cycle as fast as you.
Yeah, but you're fitter than me.
Huh?
You're fitter than me. I'm still fatty fat.
What?
I is still fatty fat. Swing bridge, hello. This is where the swing community go. Oh, swing bridge community.
Swing boat. And the king of the swingers, General VIP. Remember that? We used to buy chips, didn't we? And drench them in bloody vinegar. The smell is, but it doesn't smell the same where I live. Because it's more sea stroke.
Well, what I like to smell is PVC. Because it's new. It reminds me of my gift mask. I mean, it reminds me of Get beside me though, because it's not no fun when you're not beside me.
I know, I can't catch you up.
I'm not going fast, I'm just going normal.
Yeah, but yours is brand new, I wore mine in, and not only that, I think the water's denser than...
Then we've got to make a move then. Because it's going to get dark soon. That means you've got to paddle. If you hear banjo music, paddle faster. Welcome to another awesome adventure.
It's probably going to stop chuck on the top of it, don't it? I mean,
Sorry?
It's not heavy what he's really got on there, but I mean, like I said, you can chuck a bike on the back of it.
There's some other canoes over there, look.
What's that?
Other canoes. Get you a Zimmer frame, Jay.
Zimmer frames?
Yeah.
So I'm getting slow.
You're old.
I'm older than you, mate. Been around since the beginning of time.
Yeah, shows it.
Back when it was just black and white dots and dashes sparkling around.
Just haven't been to the cinema. I'm afraid you can't seem to find a decent film to watch.
Can't believe your mates don't want to
Jay, look what's on that tent,
in a bit of fun like this.
Jay, look at that tent. Look what's on that tent. Someone's drawn a penis on it. Was it give a man a fishing rod, they'd fish for life, yeah? Give a man a pen and they'd draw a penis.
Someone's doing a dick on that.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They got inflatable kayaks. Jay?
Yeah, you're right. You alright, bro? Bloody hell, I can't catch you up. Yeah, that's YMCA, isn't it? What do you mean? Nah. It's an epidemic now, isn't it? They basically can't control it. It don't matter what they say on the news, they got no control of it. The only reason they're legalising it is because they can't control it and they might as well make money on it. Running. Yeah. They're drinking, isn't it? I've never seen a brown one before. Brown and white one. There's a lid, look, you can go up there, look, you can climb up there. It's just something in the way, isn't it? It's a sign for the pub. It's falling over. Feel a bit wet. A bit of water ran up my arse. Like, oh, like, oh, it's exciting. It wasn't, it was fucking freezing. I think it's a bit of an echo in here.
Isn't it funny when you get an echo, you always say echo?
Echo, whoa. Yeah, it's Goonies, isn't it? Yeah. Right, watch out, because that ground's... That's a pub sign, that's fallen over. Yeah. Hang on, let me do it again. Go. Alright, well, don't lean on that sign, because you're top... No, I'm not there now. Right, just move the sign out of the way. There's no point in us both going up there, you might as well just... Unless you want us to both sit down somewhere. We could moor them. Huh? Probably, do you know what? It's probably an old pub sign they've forgotten they had. Because there's nothing on it, is there?
What are we going to do? Get the boats up?
No, just moor them. Here. Got it? Right, I'll clip yours to mine, alright? Oh yeah, good point. I want to leave that on the boat. Alright, you need to rein me in as well. Huh? Pull me in. Chuck this. Right.
That's going to fall, that. Once you get that through, it's going to fall.
Oh, I got it.
Right,
okay.
For me.
Right, yours on the left, alright?
Yep.
Confusing. Okay. Oh, yeah, arse is a little wet, but other than that, everything's fine.